Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up always visible AI Chat GPT widget on your HONOR Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store and here find app called AI Chat Wally. So it's this app right here, and we want to install it. When it's ready, click on the open. You can read through this introduction if you like. I'm gonna skip it. Then open permissions for your phone and allow access to draw over the other apps. Now select the start button and you can see this floating icon, and if you click on it, chat opens up. We can ask it anything. So let's go for tell a joke. Click the send button and here it will write as a message with a joke. And now to close it, click anywhere on the screen. In case you have the problem with the X button right here not disappearing, simply move around this icon. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.